Hello, beautiful humans. It's a wonderful, cool morning here, and I'm enjoying a nice cup of coffee. I do hope you are well. You are an amazing, beautiful human, and you deserve to be happy. Tap into the wonderful energy that a sense of calm brings to you. Holiday season is upon us, and now more than ever, we need that slow, calming energy. Let me ask you, do the holidays ever bring a sense of excitement as well as a sense of dread? Just thinking of all those people descending into your space with loud voices and differing opinions. I know that as an introvert myself, it can be a little overwhelming. But seeing those loved ones can also be a wonderful experience. So how do you balance it? Well, first you have to know your limitations. How much socializing can you take without overwhelming your system? Then set your boundaries and ask for help if most duties fall on you. These are two of the hardest things most people have to do. I know, because many of you have told me so. And I also struggle with it as well. Boundaries help you and them so that the holidays can be enjoyable instead of stressful. And asking for help doesn't mean you're weak. It just means you know how important it is to honor and care for yourself. And if at times you feel you're reaching your social interaction limit, go spend a few minutes in nature to recharge. Nature is a wonderful healing energy. Remember, you are an amazing, beautiful human. You deserve to be happy and have those around you to be happy as well. When you're not stressed, others enjoy being around you, and there's a beautiful energy that is shared between you all. Be kind to yourself.